Hello everyone, I hope you're fine. I am making this video after a very long time. So I've decided to work on this toy. So the issue in this toy is that the sound doesn't work. As you can see, I'm going to put this back and like that. And see, no sound is working. You can even see that it is blinking, okay? But there is no sound coming. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it by doing a simple connection. So what we have here is this, which makes the sound, and I'm going to join it. So now what I'm going to do is this is set here already, and I believe this needs to be connected with this. So let's make a small check, and like that. And there we have, where's the button? There it is. No sound is coming. So I believe this is connected like this one, and this is connected like this one. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, it's working. So it means this wire needs to be connected with this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a soldering iron and make a join with this magnet speaker. Alright, so I'm going to do it now. So let's see. Let me again check one more time. This is connected with this, and this one is connected with this. Like that. Yeah. Alright. So let's do it. Let's make it this thing done. Okay. I need to make it twist. Alright. Here is, this is my soldering iron, and I'm going to on it. And here, as you can see, there's a light here. It means it is on. Now I'm going to wait for, and here's my soldering iron stand. I'm going to wait that it start going to melt the soldering iron, which is the soldering bar, sorry. And this tool set I bought from Temu at very small price. I'm going to share the link as well. It's very useful. So let's do it. Let's see if it is working out. Yeah, it is melting. It is melting. Alright, let's do it. Just put this one there, and like this. This one is, I believe, also done. Let's see if it is working. I'm going to switch it off and put it back, and let's see if the sound is working. is working now. Alright. Now I'm going to put this back. So this is the we have these screws. Alright, and I'm going to use this tool set, and let's see which one is useful. I believe this size is perfect. Like this. This one is perfect, it just fit. So now let's go. I'm going to put the frame back. Alright, okay. You have to work very gently. This one I believe goes here, and this switch will go all the way here. Like this. Alright, now yeah, I think it is getting stuck somewhere. Jump. Let's close this one. Let's open. This one will go here, like that. This one will go here, and this one will go here. This one will go here. This, and I believe some of these screws are lost, so I'm just going to put one on this side, and I'll leave this one like that. Alright, and the last one.